and welcome to my channel Networking with Neaz Arefin. In this short video, we are going to create a bootable thumb drive for Windows 10 32-bit architecture. Therefore, let's not waste time and let's dig into the config. First, we are going to go to this page microsoft.com and then download Windows. I'm going to leave this link into the description box so you can download from there. And then there's two options here, Windows 10 2022 update version 22H2. This is an update assistant if you want to upgrade it from whatever version you had to this version 22H. But here we need this, create Windows 10 installation media. That means the bootable media. Download now, take more than a minute maybe, but it depends on your bandwidth. Upon successful download, we can go to that directory and then we can run this. Yes, getting ready. Give it a few minutes. Now we need to hit accept, and now we will hit create installation media. Use the flash drive. Next, now you can customize your need. So yes, I need Windows 10, but I need a 32-bit. Next, USB flash drive. We'll now connect our USB thumb drive. See, this is the one, but we'll make sure we'll format that first, and we can do NTFS. Also, we can label as Win10 32x86 Win10 32_86x. That means 32-bit architecture. Start. Hit OK and renamed. Now if you notice, the USB thumb drive has been detected. Next, started to process. Now from here, depending on your ISP's bandwidth, it might take several minutes or longer than that. My upload speed is 1.5 Mbps and my download speed is on average, I would say 90 Mbps. And it's been 5 minutes and the progress is almost 70%. Now it says your USB flash drive is ready. To verify this, we can go to that exact thumb drive. Somehow the name is changed, but that's okay. Let's get into the drive. Now you see, this is the boot file and the exe file. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.